Mia,
Ah,
Mia,
Mia.
going to the center of the temple.